Since our founding in the 1880s as part of Union Tank Car, Graver Technologies has served the industrial filtration, separation, and purification needs of companies around the globe. We offer a broad selection of high-performance specialty ion exchange resins, proprietary adsorbents, and filtration products for the most demanding application environments. Headquartered in Glasgow, Delaware, with additional manufacturing and marketing facilities in Newark, New Jersey, Hanoi Falls, New York, and Shanghai, China, Graver Technologies has the breadth of technologies and the depth of scientific and analytical resources to solve our customers' most challenging problems. Exporting on average more than 35% of our products, Graver Technologies is recognized worldwide, with our global presence extending from North and South America, across Europe, and into Asia, including the Pacific Rim, Japan, and Australia. We manufacture products to meet the most rigorous global standards, including ASME, PED, the Code of Federal Regulations, ISO 9001, EU 1935, FDA, and many others to ensure consistent, effective, and high-quality products to meet global needs. Graver Technologies serves industries that include processed water, power generation, food and beverage, drinking water, healthcare, chemical, and microelectronics. Our products are used to efficiently remove particulate and soluble contaminants from a broad range of fluids and gases. Graver Technologies designs, engineers, and manufactures a wide variety of robust high-purity, OEM consumer and industrial-grade filtration technologies to address a broad spectrum of applications in numerous markets. A wide range of patented absorbent technology is available for the purification of sugar, pharmaceuticals, water, and wastewater to remove color, odor, turbidity, and heavy metals. Graver Technologies provides powdered ion exchange resin products using whole bead resins manufactured by the world's leading ion exchange polymerizing companies for use in pre-coat systems as well as custom finished resins and regeneration services. Graver Technologies is a member of the Marmon Group, an international corporation with more than $9 billion in annual sales. Around the corner or around the world, Graver Technologies is